Welcome to the boat show. I'm Bill Hackett. We're coming to you from Tiara, and we're sitting on board the EX54 glass patio. I need you to step on board with me and see how sweet this boat really is. Absolutely dripping in luxury on this vessel. Love it. And it's got a 2-terrace setup so we can really enjoy each other's company from the helm all the way down to the water. So let's talk about this 2-terrace setup right now. Right here, we're in the back end of a Tiara. What do we know about Tiara? They're transformative. So I have 2 seats right here, but I can twist the knobs underneath and I can make them rear facing if I wish. I can actually take these 2 seats out of here. There's bar stools up here, and I can bring down if you want. Totally transformative. Turn it into the style that you prefer and just absolutely love it. So just behind here we have glass, and that allows people that are up on the upper terrace to see down into the water. And again, look at the beautiful teak touches here. I love it. Teak table. But really what makes this boat special is the volume of space back here. Here we are at Midship, and I have these 2 beach platforms which extend down, increasing the beam even more. This beautiful vessel has 54 feet, 3 inches of length, and then she's got 15 feet, 11 inches of beam, which is increased by 3 or 4 feet on either side because of these beach platforms. And again, we're gonna hang out here and relax. I have great access on both the port and starboard side, up to the bow, and back down to the transom. By the way, it's an articulating transom, goes down into the water. You can use it as a tender lift. You can also has a grill mount back there so you can grill, make no mess up here on the boat. Now let's step up on the top terrace. On the top terrace, I got a great view of the water, unobstructed, even by the back end, because I have that glass. Here I'm sitting on these bar stools. Now the bar stools are great right here because I can just easily grab a drink from the galley. But if I need to, I can take these bar stools and again, move them down to the lower terrace. However you want to set this boat up, you can, just like the Ottomans. Everything shuffles around here any way you like it. And again, I get to keep engaged because I can lower this window down with everybody in the main salon to the exterior of the boat. And then above me, if I need to, I can extend the shade so we can get protection from the sun if you like. The interior space here in the main salon is absolutely dripping with style. First and foremost, I'm 6'1" and I got a foot overhead, so I give me the volume of space. And then I have a nice electrically actuated sunroof to let more breeze in, or I can button this whole thing up in case we run into some weather. All your guests will relax here inside the cabin. Of course, we have a TV, all the accoutrements in the galley that you would need for a long cruise. But the best part of this is I need to actually put my sunglasses back on because the woodwork here is absolutely high gloss and eye-popping. This boat is tricked out with twin Volvo Penta IPS 950s. That gives you 725 horsepower in each engine. I'm gonna top this boat out at 39 miles an hour and it's gonna cruise right around 30. So when we pay attention to the helm, first of all, built in Holland, Michigan, these boats are robust. Very great riding boat. It's gonna cut through any weather for you. Then I have fantastic visibility up here, but check out the massive Garmin displays for both you and the first mate. So I can have my chart plotter up on one, I got my Seakeeper on the other if you want. However you want to set it up, you can do that. Then in addition to my Volvo Penta controls, I also have a Volvo Penta joystick so I can ease it in and out of the dock, hold it on station, or when you're ready to bring it up to the beach, you can drop anchor on the windlass, keep an eye with the camera, and that sort of thing. The best part of the cruising experience is you can do it with you and your first mate up here. In addition to that, everybody loves the cruising experience. So what have they done? They've duplicated a Garmin screen over on the port side with a twin setup as well. So you got 4 people that can be up here at the helm and really enjoy the cruising experience. Now let's go step down below. Here we are in the primary. How beautiful is this? I have a fantastic well-lit headliner. I have my TV, I have a great sitting area, makeup station, and then I have plenty of room for storage, for everything you need for a long passage. And again, the details and the woodworking in here are eye-popping. And of course, it's fully en-suite. Everything you need for a nice long passage. As you step down from the helm, there you run into the VIP suite. As you come up here, we have a shared head, all the accoutrements at home. I have fantastic headliner and lighting as well up here, natural light coming in, and plenty of room for your guests as well. And then we have a twin bunk setup on the starboard side. Hey, let's head up to the bow. Electrically actuated door, how great is that? As we step up here, easy access, very safe, and this is where we're going to enjoy the sun. I got a full sun pad up here, cup holders, you can relax all day long. This is what sun worshipers are going to love about this boat. The EX54 glass patio from Tiara is absolutely eye-popping. Again, full enclosure on the inside with 360 degrees of view, but really you're going to come outside here to enjoy the cruising experience. Multi-terrace setup here, all the way down to the water. Gorgeous, well thought out. Honestly, this one you have to see in person. Go to your local dealer, step on board and see the refinements, see the terrace setup, and see yourself on this boat and take her for a sea trial.